2-in-1, multicolor, and warm white. The S0001, that is what this is called. It's a 4-pack that you could stake in the ground or hang on the wall and decorate your landscape, housing, boat area, and so forth. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside the box, and show you how easy it is to set up. A very simple and easy instruction guide with an on and off and a mode selection. All the hardware kits for each of the lights, the extension poles, and the stakes for each of the lights. And nicely packed will be the light fixture and the wall mount hanger. Let's not forget the couplers for each of the sections that we need to install. The two options are, we can hang this on the wall or mount it up. You're going to take the coupler, slide them on together like so, and put the stake in either on the short pole or the long pole. And then you're going to mount this up this particular way, and you got yourself your stake light. On the wall mount, what you're going to do is take the square end, match it up, depending on the angle you want to put your on and off switch to the wall. These are IP rated, and eventually in time you need to clean the lenses and the mirror image and the solar panel. You have an on and off switch that's located right here with a number of LED lights that are yellow and clear inside. If you press the button once, nothing's going to happen until you at least cover the lens so the light can light up. And depending on the way you hit it, you're going to get all these different colors that will shine, multicolors. Dusk to dawn. Take your hands off the solar panel. It shuts off. Now what we need to do is go outside, place this up into the sun, and the next day or two, we're able to run it and show you what they look like. Find a spot, hang up, set your light up with the logo facing out, and lock into place. We have a number of different ways to do this. We have a short and long pole to make it the maximum height. We have a long pole only to make it a little shorter. And then we have the shortest pole to make it even shorter. And these are the 3 different heights we have in steps. Dusk to dawn. 12 LEDs, breathing, changing different colors every few seconds. These have a number of modes. We'll go over that, show you what the path light looks like on the stakes in the ground. This is the wall mount, as you can see, color to color. The solar path light, press on the button to shut it off. Push it to the sides, they turn on. This is the warm light. There are 12 LED lights, as you can see. Press it again, it goes into a breathing mode in single color. And then you press it again, it goes into the breathing of multicolor. If you want to shut it off, you simply push in on the button, 3 seconds, and they go off. And to turn it on, just simply slide it in either direction. You have multicolors, 12 LEDs, breathing mode, which is simply coming over to the light and going to the breathing mode like so. And then you have multi. This is the best way to show you the design on the floor, what it looks like, the color modes. Putting it upside down, you can see the reflection of the different lights. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for.